Alright, here we go. Let me get a good picture of that thing.
Pretty,
oh my goodness!
The more you mask it, the better it is for you.
Really?
Oh!
Alright.
Hey, listen
Let me
close,
salt
guys.
you
I
up a
think I
little
hear
bit.
him.
That looks like
Yeah, you want to get that taste
Just a little
as
grease here real
non-egg
quick.
as possible.
Let me,
How do people do this?
Okay.
So much respect for you, big fella.
Just keep
Okay,
chewing.
get ready.
Just keep
chewing.
Just keep chewing and hold the nose.
Need a countdown?
I'm backing up, guys. I'm backing up.
Swallowing part.
I'm backing up.
For Bobbit. Here we go.
This is for Bobbit. I don't want to see the Bobbit reaction. Come on. Fight through
Join
it.
the club, man.
Flatt might do it in just 1 chew.
2,
Swallow it.
3.
Alright, ready? Eating duck. Eating duck.
Chicken duck.
That's a big old...
Delicacy.
It's only been dead for 3 weeks.
Killing me, Kurt.
I actually see it still breathing, so...
Here we go!
You're gonna smell like vinegar.
You got this, baby.
That one looks better than ours, actually.
He's an animal.
Oh.
You got this. You got this. He's an animal.
Oh, that's not a problem. He wants a second one. He wants a second one.
What is wrong with this guy? Oh, yeah.
Give him another one.
Oh.
I knew that's how it was going down.
Oh,
what a
baby.
man. What a man. You're a man. Michelle, you're married to a man.
Started.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh. Don't be Carson now.
He's hungry.
Is he joking? He's joking. Are you joking? Are you joking? This is like seeing Tyson go down for the first time.
I wouldn't get. No one gets through without gagging once. You got this. You got this.
He's joking. He's joking.
He's struggling. He's not joking. You got it. You got it.
Back up, dog. There's gonna be more.
What's up, dog?
I'm scared what he's doing. He looks like he wants to hit the audience.
We're in the splash zone.
Right through it!
He's going for Daniel.
I know he is.
Oh my God.
Oh! It's alright. If you need to puke, go that way.
Get it down. Get it down.
Bobbit will be in my face, right in front of me.
Oh, jeez. This is a battle.
This is. We're on 2 minutes and 32 seconds, boys.
Stand on your players.
He's coming my way, and it's really creeping me out. I'm about to go inside. Are you okay? You can spit it out at any point.
Big dog falls hard.
It's taking so long.
Come on. Come on. He wants it. Yeah.
Fight it! He's challenging Carson!
Against the laws of physics.
It's a rule. It should not be in your mouth for 3 minutes and 16 seconds. You just cross that line. Oh!
Oh! Come on! You got it! Come on! Put your hand on your mouth. Swallow it! Swallow it!